Okay, so don't ask me why, but I had to go back. I had to see what was happening. And I went back, and it wasn't actually all that bad. Like, a lot of time passed because I put it off for so long. And I don't know how. I don't know how this thing works. But he seems alright. He seems a lot less coherent than usual, and he's still as full of himself as he used to be. So I brought it up. I brought up what he was doing before. I asked him what that was, and eventually he just says chemistry. So then I say, do you mean alchemy? And he says, well, what's the difference? And he thought that alchemy was just another part of science. Like, there was the part of science that was figuring out how things are, and then there was the part that's figuring out how things change now. And he thought everything in the world was created by God, so everything is just a clue left by God to be figured out by us. And he thought that by using experiments you could just figure everything out, and everything was just part of God's puzzle. I'm worried about him. I think that all that thinking is going to his head, and when he can't figure this out, when he can't figure this alchemy out, I don't know what's going to happen to him.